Hello everyone, you are doing good. In this video, I will explain about how to install Docker in EC2 Linux instance and running and accessing email from browser. So let's get started. To access the from browser, we need one security, inbound and outbound rule request. So I will create first one inbound rule and one outbound rule. Go to your AWS account, click on EC2. Scroll down. In network and security groups is there. Create new security group. So give the security group name. So I am giving V2. Description also I am giving V2. Scroll down. Inbound roles. Here in inbound roles, add one role. All TCP. Here anywhere IPv4. It will select all zeros. Same as outbound roles. So you can change to all TCP. Give anywhere IPv4. All zeros here. This is the IP all zeros. Scroll down. Next, create security group. So security group is created. Name is V2. So let's create the EC2 instance. Launch EC2 instance. Launch instance. Give the name. I'm giving the same V2. Scroll down. So I am default one. I am not changing. Amazon Linux. Here, Amazon machine image. I am also not changing this one. Scroll down. Instance type also I am not changing. Here I am create new key pair. I am giving name V2. So I am using EC2 instance connect, but if I want to connect through putty, sometimes may chances to I will connect this instance using putty. So I am selecting .ppk file. Scroll down here, create key pair. Once key pair is created, scroll down, security group, select existing security group. So we are created on security group, right? V2. That is the security group V2. Select V2. Configure storage. I am changing to 20 GB. Next, scroll down. Instances, how many instances you want, you can select. One is sufficient for this video. So I am not changing anything. Launch instance. Once successfully starting this instance, then we can connect through EC2 instance connector. So select this one, refresh. It will change pending to running. Until wait, it will change pending to running. Once running, then we can connect to EC2 instance. Yes, it is running. So connect. Copy IP address. Not required actually. It's popping. This is the username. EC2. So connect here. Click on connect. It will open the EC2 instance connect. Username is EC2-user. So once it's connected, so we can switch to super user. Yes, it is connected, so we can switch to super user. Sudo su space -, to connect super user. Next, we can install the Docker. So sudo yum install Docker. Enter. Say else. Once installation done, verify the Docker version. Docker --, version. So Docker version is 25.0.3. So clear the screen. Next, we need to start the Docker. Sudo service Docker start. Sudo service Docker start. Enter. It will started. So verify it is started or not. Sudo service Docker status. Here active running. So here enter the escape. So colon WQ. We will back to the our terminal. Then you can here run Docker container run I will give name like Docker container run hyphen name v1 space. Here this is the container name I am giving. After that hyphen p. So we need to hyphen p means port. We need to assign port. I am giving 9090 port colon. So I am running now NGINX email. So it is default port number is 80. So then space hyphen DID NGINX. NGINX is a one of image available in Docker Hub. DIT means daemon interactive terminal. So it will run this command in background. So hyphen DIT means daemon interactive terminal. First we can verify this image they are not in Docker Hub. Let's open new tab. Docker Hub NGINX. Enter here. Verify it is there or not. NGINF image in Docker Hub. Here NGINX. Here it is there. NGINX. NGINX is there. Here NGINX image is there. So we can use that image and run. Here, close this tab. So Docker container run hyphen name. This is the container name. So I am directly creating container and so starting the Docker and also running the Docker by using this and port mapping hyphen p port mapping and hyphen d. This is daemon interactive terminal. This is the image name. Enter. So it is downloading the image or it is pulling the image. So it is done. Let's. So you can Docker container ls. Docker container ls. We are checking what our containers are running. So here this container is running. Image name NGINX container is running. Port mapping 9090 to this mapping. NGINX is running in Docker 80 port. So we are mapping to 9090. Right? We need to know the IP address of this instance. By using IP address, we can connect to this image. So for IP config .io curl IP config.io enter. So this is the IP address. Port number is 9090. Here port number is 9090. Select this one. Right click copy. This is the port number 9090 is the port number. You can open new tab. Control V colon 9090. We will get the home page of NGINX. Let's verify we are getting or not. Here, welcome to NGINX. This way to we can so how to install Docker in EC2 Linux instance and running and accessing image from browser. So we are successfully done. Here, first we are created the security group to access this endpoint like this URL, this page. So we are created one security group. We were provided inbound rule all TCP and outbound rule all TCP anywhere IPv4. Like after that we are created EC2 instance. In EC2 instance we are generated one temp file. After that we are instance RAM size we are increased to 20 GB. After that we are using this sudo command to connected this instance. Once connected this instance, then we are installed the Docker. After installed, so we are started the Docker service. After started, we are checking the status. Once checking the status, then by using Docker container, this here Docker container run hyphen name. This is the container name. This is the port mapping. This is the daemon interactive terminal. This is the image name. By using this command, we are creating the container and we are starting the container and we are running the container by using here by using Docker container ls. So we are finding the running containers. If you want to find all containers, Docker container ls hyphen a by using we can get all containers. all containers. We can get all containers. In this instance, only one container is there. After that, we are using curl ipconfig.io. By using, we are getting the IP address and port. This is the port. By using these two, so we are accessing the NGINX image. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe to this YouTube channel.